Hello, Morgan from Opinionmeter here with a quick demo on how to import locations. So this is very helpful if you manage surveys with or electronic forms with many different locations rather than creating them one at a time, which you can do on the fly within our system. You can also now import them or import hundreds of locations at one time. So what we've done is added under the survey module, which you see I am in the survey module now in our test account. I'm going to go to the sidebar under locations, and you'll see now an import location option. And from this screen, you can select your account, especially if you're an enterprise account, you might have a number of sub-accounts here. The user, let's just use OM test. And now you can choose a file that can be a CSV or an Excel file with your locations and just bring it into the system. And my file does happen to have a header row, so I'll check the checkbox. Of course, if your file does not, our import wizard will help you map your various columns accordingly. But mine already does, so I'll check the checkbox, choose the file, and let's see, there it is, my location file right there. So now I'm going to click Submit. And it's now importing that file, and as you see here, my file has 4 columns, one for location, one for description, and then the longitude, latitude. You must have location and description columns, whereas the latitude, the GPS coordinates, are optional. So you can always map too. Let's say I didn't have a header record in the file. You would just then select which of these apply to each of your column headings. And given this file had a header row, the system knew to map for you. So it already pre-selected location, description, latitude, and longitude. And then we just go ahead and click Submit, and now the data file is brought right into the system. So here I have my location ID, my location description, which we just used postal codes or zip codes, which you could put anything in here. It doesn't have to be a zip code. And also the GPS coordinates are within as well. And you can always delete or modify your locations by clicking, and then you'll see the various details, including your latitude and longitude. Okay, so that's a nice new feature we've added. Really helps with enterprise users who are managing hundreds of locations. They don't want to have to manually input them one at a time, and now you can import multiple locations all at once. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.